Deciding to do a little review here on Sunday the 6th of November 2016. This is my first full week in the live account, not Top Step Trader, but my own personal account. I'm trading on the side. This is live cash. Okay, so you see here I've got two connections, one for continuum and one for rhythmic, because Top Step Trader uses rhythmic and my personal account uses NinjaTrader continuum. So this was the score at the end of the week. So that's not bad for the size of account that I'm trading. It's about a 7% return for the week. I only traded 3 days. Technically I traded 4, but I was taking my mum to the airport, so I traded 3 full days. Good start on day 1 on Monday, and then a bit of fear-based trading as I did trade both accounts simultaneously, both the Top Step Trader and my personal account. So a little adjustment needed there, hence the break-even trading in the last 2 days of the week. But Monday basically made up the whole of the week's profits. So 50% win rate, 1.78 to 1 reward to risk ratio. Everything good, 50%. Nothing to write home about, but a good start to the account. So let's review these trades. This was Monday, got in here. This trade actually, this is YM, went, and rather than talk about the technicals, I'd like to talk about the emotional side of trading, because this one went from 04 all the way up to 28. And I have a 10-tick stop on with the YM. So that is a 2.4 to 1 reward to risk, and I let that come all the way back down and stop me out according to the plan. And this is the important part. If I were to take that, that would be a mistake long term, even if it would have put money in my pocket, and I had no reason to get out before. I can't remember where my target was, but I followed the plan and lost there. Then if we go over to 6B, I caught a good little move on 6B, got in long here according to this little hammer. That was the reason for that. And we also had 30-minute support there according to the plan. So got in and rode it up to the golden mean retracement, which came in around 95. So that's 3.2 to 1 reward to risk. 10-tick stop, 32-tick gain. Then came back later in the evening to YM, so like 7:30 here in Central European in Italy. Took a trade, stopped out by a few ticks, got in again according to the plan, and rode it into the close. And this was, we got in, let's see, we got in 61 and then got out 89, so 2.8 to 1. So we had a 3.2 to 1 and a 2.8 to 1 reward to risk. Two wins of that magnitude, and then 2 losses. So that's how to put the money into your pocket, being wrong half as many times as you're right. So that was Monday. Then I didn't trade Tuesday. Wednesday, technically I traded Wednesday, but it was a break-even trade. So we'll skip that and then move on to Thursday. Let's go over here. Let's pause this video. Yeah, Thursday I made a real mess on Thursday. That was the first day that I traded both accounts simultaneously. So I got in here short according to the plan. I'm really proud of my entries in general and my exits, but I think it's just 2 account nerves. Like, I've never traded 2 live accounts at the same time, so I'm hoping tomorrow I'll be back on track. So anyway, 925 short. I had an 88.89 target, which would have meant 11 plus 25, 3.6 R, and instead I got out for 1.9. Went from 25 to 06, and that's because I have reasons for why I got out, but I went against the plan, which is to hold through the open. And so I was up 2R here, 2R in the funded account with Top Step Trader and basically did a rare break. The last time I did something like this was in August. I think it was August the 25th. So got out here, and of course it went to the target and then did its thing. So I have a $300 target on the day at the moment, and if I had taken this down here, this trade up here at the high, which was the second and last trade of the day, would have given me the day. But as I had taken just a part of my earlier win, I wasn't in a position where I could take it off, and it hadn't hit the higher targets. I believe I had a target at the whole number, yeah, 900, and it got to 94. So it went from 67 to 94. That's 2.7 are in favor and stopped me out like that. So that was a terrible ride on Thursday, which ended, this still ended with profits, but I ended up with $38 rather than the 300 that I should have. So that was a bit of a bummer. And then finally we've got Friday, and bearing in mind these are the trades I took. I have some missed trades, some hesitation, and some problems, things to iron out as I'm trading two accounts. So hopefully this week will be stronger, fewer misses, more conviction. So I got in here. This was, no, the first trade was 6B, and that was here, short, stopped out, nothing wrong with that. Then the next trade was YM, again a bit of a nasty one, got in here short 88, got stopped out here 98, went 3 ticks higher and then tanked. I can't remember where my target was, but they're always 3R or bigger, so a bit unlucky there. And then finally 6C. There were no trades beforehand. Actually, there was this long here that I didn't take, that I missed. But in any case, I got this and rode it all the way up here, got to within 1 tick of my target, which was at 70. I got to 69 and then rolled over and had to exit before the close. So that gave me 4.5 to 2.5, 8 ticks for my 5 ticks risk. So that's 1.6 R, 1.6 reward for my 1 risk. And that watered down the losing day, and I lost $45 that day. So basically Thursday and Friday washed themselves out, and the week came from Monday. So this week I'll be trading every single day, balls to the wall, as they would say, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll do a review as and when it seems right to do so. Take care and see you next time.